In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates on Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable email design and get it ready for campaigns or one-time sends. Start by heading to your Mautic login page and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Channels section, then choose Emails. This is where all your email assets live. Click the New button to create a fresh email. You'll first choose the type of email you want. Segment email is best for one-time broadcasts you send directly to a defined audience. Template email is designed to be used inside campaigns, forms, or other automated flows. Pick the option that fits your use case right now. Next, add a clear, compelling subject line. Keep it concise and aligned with the content you plan to include. Avoid spammy wording and consider preview text strategy if your instance supports it. Then give the email an internal name. This label is for organization inside Mautic, so make it descriptive, like including the purpose or date, to help you and your team find it later. If you're creating a segment email, select the segment or list you want to send to. Choose the most relevant audience to keep your messaging targeted. If you're building a template email for campaigns, this part may be handled later by the campaign itself. Now choose a starting point. You can pick from a variety of built-in templates for a quick, polished layout, or start from scratch if you want full control over the design. After selecting your base, open the builder. Inside the builder, you can customize everything with drag and drop elements. Add text blocks for your message, images for visuals, and buttons for clear calls to action. Keep paragraphs short, use headings to guide readers, and make sure your buttons link to the right pages. Optimize images for fast loading and add alt text for accessibility. Always think mobile first. Preview how your content stacks, and use padding and spacing to keep it readable on small screens. When you're happy with your edits, apply your changes to confirm them in the builder. This step ensures your layout and content updates are captured. Finally, click Save and Close. Your email template is now stored in your emails area, ready to be used for a broadcast or pulled into a campaign, depending on the type you chose. You can reopen it anytime to iterate, test variations, or duplicate it for a new version. That's it, your Mautic template is ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy building.